RC with Adam is brought to you in part by these super awesome people.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. Today is just such a beautiful, crisp morning. I couldn't help but take out the old quadcopter and do some flying. Specifically, kind of practicing flying around these trees behind me. I think you can see those. And getting better at flying in the branches and getting more comfortable with that. And not like freaking out because I think that I'm going to lose my quadcopter, and also kind of testing out and becoming more confident with the receiver connection and the video connection and all that sort of stuff, plus hopefully getting some nice footage on the GoPro. And just kind of also the other thing is getting my rates down, because I'm trying to get some good rates so that I can use them for both sort of freestyle flying, a little bit more dynamic, but not too crazy, and really precise, slow, sort of cinematic type flying. So I'm practicing. I'm trying to just figure out what works for that. So I just thought I'd bring you along, and I think we've been kind of overdue for some good old-fashioned flight footage anyway. So hopefully you enjoy this and maybe you'll learn something. Okay, here we go. We're running 2.7K, 120 frames per second, wide field of view, stabilized, and let's sync it up.
I think I need to adjust my rates a bit more. They're actually a little bit too, feel a little bit too sloppy. Okay, all right, that was pretty exciting. The good thing is I'm feeling much more confident about the range of the quadcopter and the video and the RSSI. I think I was still having, for the longest time, was just very not confident to fly anywhere close to, like, with trees in the way, because of bad receivers, or because of that time that I flew my, like, Wizard X220 popsicle stick quad thing up there, and then it fail safed and crashed into the ground. So anyway, that was really cool. I'm not happy with these rates. I need to play around with them. So that's probably what I'll do next, because I just don't really feel very comfortable trying to do I don't really feel very comfortable trying to do precise maneuvers with these rates, and I would like to be able to do precise maneuvers. Okay, those rates, those feel pretty good. That felt quite good. Just turning up the, it's a little bit more sensitive that way, but but it's I feel like more in control, so it's more predictable for me. But even if I do make a few more little like subtle movements, and I have to just practice more and get more gentle towards the center of the stick, because you just have to barely move it. And honestly, that's kind of where having better gimbals would make a difference. Honestly, having that for the very, very small stuff. Anyway, it's good stuff.